So, if you're trying to file a tax return and all you have are IRS transcripts, you might run into a problem when it comes time to e-file. That's because you'll need what are called unmasked transcripts to do so, but you might have accidentally received masked transcripts from the IRS.
Hey man, the mask mandate's over. I don't need to wear a mask no more.
Roscoe, what do you want? And no one said anything about wearing a mask. I said you need unmasked transcripts.
So I can take this off?
Roscoe, what do you want?
I need to file some old taxes, but all I got is this funny paper from the IRS with all these X's all over it.
That's what I'm trying to talk about in this video. So go sit in the lobby and wait until I'm done, okay?
Stop!
I need to find better clients. Welcome to Tax Chit Chat, the place where we talk all things tax all the time. Now, in this video, we talked about how to get tax records fast so that a person could file their taxes. Specifically, we went over how to get a wage and income transcript. You know, the one that will have your income forms like W-2s, 1099s, and the like. But here's something to note. Back in September of 2018, the IRS, in an effort to protect taxpayers from identity fraud, redacted or masked portions of the transcript being provided to taxpayers. Specifically, you can no longer see the entire EIN of the company, who paid you, the entire company name, or their entire address. But most of this info is needed if you want to e-file your taxes using tax software. So, just what do you do now? How do you get an unmasked transcript that shows this stuff? Well, the answer to that question depends on if you are a taxpayer or a tax professional like myself. And I'm going to tell you your specific steps to get those unmasked transcripts, but let's talk first about how you can't get them. If you're a taxpayer, you can't get an unmasked wage and income transcript by using the IRS's Get Transcript ordering system. It doesn't matter if you use the online view print option or the option where they mail you the transcript. Get Transcript only offers masked transcripts, not unmasked transcripts. Next, the Interactive Voice Response, or IVR, is an automated system available for taxpayers to obtain a tax return or tax account transcript by phone. Taxpayers can access IVR by calling 1-800-908-9946, but it too only offers masked transcripts, not unmasked transcripts. And if you use Form 4506T, well, it doesn't even have an option for you to request an unmasked transcript. So guess which one the IRS will send you by default. Now, if you're a tax professional, you're more than likely going to be a user of the Transcript Delivery System, or TDS. Now, TDS has the capability to provide you with masked and unmasked transcripts. However, per the IRM, you must have both a CAF number as well as an e-services mailbox. If you don't have these two things, then you can't get an unmasked transcript. So now that we've gone over how you can't get an unmasked wage and income transcript, let's go over how you can. If you're an individual, you will have to call the IRS at 1-800-829-1040 and speak to a representative. I know. In this post-COVID world that we live in, me telling you to speak to the IRS employee is almost like Zeus telling Atlas to hold up the heavens. But unfortunately, it's what you and Atlas have to do. When you speak to the IRS employee, you'll specifically have to tell them that you need an unmasked wage and income transcript for preparing and filing a federal income tax return. They'll then mail this transcript to the taxpayer's address of record. Now, it's important to know that only the taxpayer or the authorized individual of a deceased person can make this request. So if you're trying to request a transcript for someone else, the IRS employee will not do it. Now, if you are a tax professional, you have two options. First, if you have an e-services account, a CAF number, an 8821 or 2848 on file, and you make your request via TDS, you can get an unmasked wage and income transcript online without a problem. The transcript that opens on your screen should be unmasked, and all the numbers and names should be visible. Second, if you call the IRS PPS line, authorized representatives can request that an unmasked TDS wage and income transcript be placed in their e-services SOR mailbox when needed for federal tax return preparation and filing. You can also ask that the transcript be mailed to the taxpayer's address of record, and your client can then give it to you once they receive it. But to get it the fastest way possible, either 1, get it yourself via TDS, or 2, call PPS and have them put it in your SOR mailbox. If you like this video and got some value from it, you can say thanks by buying me a coffee. The link is in the description, and the extra coins go towards helping us make future videos and pay for things like gear and props. And if you're a taxpayer and want to know how to set up your online IRS account so you can do things like get transcripts or see how much you owe the IRS, then make sure you watch this video next. And until we meet again, remember to keep earning, keep learning, and just like that, this chat is adjourned.